Hi there. So let's look at this logarithm trick. Let's look at how we can solve logarithm through a simple trick. Most people, when they look at logarithm, they are afraid to solve it. But with this trick, you should be able to solve more of logarithm questions. So the first question says log 3, open bracket, x minus 4, close your bracket, equals to 2. So to solve this question, just stay calm. It's very easy. First of all, let's bring out the x minus 4 down. Okay, x minus 4 down. Okay, equals to, so you see this log 3, we're going to bring the log 3 to this right hand side here, equals to 3. Then this 2 will now be exponential at 3, that is 3 raised to power 2. So going forward, we'll be arriving x minus 4 equals to 3 raised to power 2 will give us 9. That is 3 times 3 is equals to 9. Okay. So going forward, you have x equals to, then this minus 4 will be taken to the right hand side, which will be turning into a plus. Okay. When you take it there, we'll be having 9 plus 4. So therefore, x will be equals to 9 plus 4 will give us 13. That is our answer. We are going to use the same step for the first question to solve the second question. So we'll be having, let's bring out the 5x plus 1 equals to, then this log 2 will come to the right hand side. We have raised to power what? 4. Okay, then 5x plus 1 will be equals to 2 times 2, 4, times 2, 8. 8 times 2, that's 16. That's 16 here. That's 2 raised to power 4 will give us 16. Then 5x, okay, will be equals to, this plus 1 will come to the right hand side and will be turning to minus. So we have 16 minus 1. Okay, so when we have 16 minus 1, what will be the next thing we have is 5x equals to 16 minus 1 is 15. So then let's divide both left hand side and right hand side by 5. So we'll be dividing both left side and right hand side by 5. Okay, so 5 going 5 will give us 1. So we'll be having x here. Then 5 going 15 will give us 3.